What if an aircraft could blind an entire nation's air defense network in a single shot? Engineered to replace aging electronic warfare platforms with digital supremacy. Wideband receiver arrays mapped hostile radar emissions instantly. Reinforced structural pylons supported massive tactical jamming loads.
Tactical networking software synchronized multi-source jamming protocols.
Wideband receiver arrays mapped hostile radar emissions instantly.
Twin General Electric turbofans unleashed explosive carrier launch thrust. Launching off carrier decks to command the invisible electronic battlefield.
Real-time telemetry monitored high-power transmitter thermal limits. Distinctive pod geometry delivered unmatched electromagnetic suppression. Targeted communication jamming severed enemy tactical networks. Advanced digital spectrum analyzers mapped hostile frequency bands. Engineered for relentless suppression of enemy air defenses. Precision maintenance protocols ensured absolute electronic readiness. Integrated ram air turbines supplied massive electrical power for transmitters. Reinforced airframe engineering managed extreme external pod drag forces. Complete radio frequency saturation blinded hostile early warning radars. High electrical draw required robust auxiliary power generation. Cannon bays were converted into dedicated electronic cooling systems. Automated threat libraries updated electronic attack parameters instantly. Carrying high-speed anti-radiation missiles to destroy broadcasting radars. Climbing high to project electronic dominance across vast horizons.
Delivering electronic shielding at supersonic combat speeds.
Sustaining long-duration electronic suppression patrols. Frequency hopping algorithms defeated adaptive enemy radar counters. Next-generation active electronically scanned jammers expanded target coverage. Unrivaled electromagnetic capability secured total tactical freedom. Coming up next, we explore suppression of enemy air defenses and strike integration. Secure tactical data links shared targeting coordinates with joint forces. High-speed emitter geolocation pinpointed radar sites instantly. Rigorous pod connector checks verified electrical stability.
Automated decoy deployment countered incoming missile threats.
Emergency backup transmitters ensured uninterrupted tactical command. Patrolling high-threat corridors from safe stratospheric altitudes.
Executing complex electronic suppression sorties around the clock.
Continuous thermal monitoring prevented transmitter overheating during peak load. Conformal sensor fairings expanded passive radio frequency detection. Continuous software evolution maintained absolute electronic supremacy. Modular hardware architectures allowed rapid field servicing and updates. Deploying rapidly across international carrier strike group assignments. Targeted spectrum suppression neutralized enemy command and control. Unmatched multi-role performance maintained its operational edge. Upgraded power distribution systems supported higher output jamming arrays. Continuous fleet upgrades ensured dominance against advanced digital air defenses. Artificial intelligence integration accelerated threat identification processing. High-speed optical data buses eliminated internal signal latency. Integrating seamlessly with future unmanned combat aerial systems. Rigorous deployment checks guaranteed flawless global readiness. Master design updates documented the evolution of electronic combat. Expanding operational boundaries across every global theater. The boundary line between traditional strike and electronic mastery dissolved. The electronic supremacy milestones achieved here secure modern tactical airspace. Next, we explore the eternal legacy of the EA-18G Growler. Precision maintenance protocols ensured absolute electronic readiness. How does the Growler secure its place as history's daunic warfare aircraft? Archival records preserve the birth of modern electronic strike supremacy. Next-generation naval concepts draw direct inspiration from its electronic architecture. The relentless pursuit of electromagnetic dominance demands extraordinary engineering courage. Preserved operational standards showcase peak manufacturing durability. Advanced cockpit instrumentation set benchmarks for electronic flight control. Even across changing technological eras, pioneering electronic principles remain timeless. Global naval strategy continues to study Growler electronic suppression efficiency. An ultimate masterpiece of electronic attack scale and battlefield versatility. Precision engineering ensures absolute legendary status across electronic warfare history. The spirit of electronic innovation drives the future of naval combat. As eras of naval aviation evolve, the Growler points proudly toward eternity. Engineered for the carrier deck, built to master the electromagnetic skies of tomorrow. The skies are never a final boundary. They are the beginning of electronic warfare possibilities. EA-18G Growler, the ultimate electronic attack master of the skies.